Thank you. I just want to give you a quick snapshot of what the last week and a half, what the last week and what this week holds for Fine Arts. So you have some sense of what we do here before part of our awesome band performs for you. Last week, at the end of the week, we had auditions for Shrek, which is our spring musical. So that was last week, and everybody auditioned and deciding on our cast. Then during the weekend, Collins, who's back there, did a voice solo performance in the community and received a standing ovation for it. So that was a snapshot. We also have the band forming today. Tonight we have a one-act parent performance, which is our one-act competition where we have kiddos. They've been rehearsing since the second week of school, and they get to perform. And then after that, tonight we have a parent meeting with all the new cast for the musical. We're going to get together tonight and get details and figure out the plan for the semester. Then Saturday we have the one-act competition. And where are they going to compete?
Fayetteville, Starkville.
Yes, in Fayetteville. They're all going down for that. Then next week we have Grandparents' Day, and we're having the chorus, the band, and all the lower school performing to grandparents. So that's our snapshot of last week and just this chunk of time this semester. We have some awesome things happening. I'm going to turn things over to Elizabeth and Eva, and they're going to fill you in on what is happening with our band director and our assistant band director. They're fantastic.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Regas, and I like the microphone. This is Eva Butcher. She is the assistant band director. She will be joining us in our performance today. First of all, you guys, thank you so much for coming out just to see the band. Like, it really means so much to us. Thank you. Remember, no flash photography. We will be signing autographs at Bandland at the end of the performance, so, also not everyone's awake. It's totally fine. So let me tell you a little bit about our band. Our band, like everything else at Mill Springs, is amazing. It's amazing. It is a very unique and different program, and it has evolved to where it is right now because we are constantly looking at things that we can do to make the experience more enjoyable, more educational, more engaging. The entire goal of band and fine arts and the school is to basically engage your students in a love of learning, in my case, a love of music. Like this, it's a really, really awesome environment. So some of the things that make us different, as you can clearly see on stage, this is a sampling of our band. It's not the full band. It's very early in the morning for that level of volume. You're welcome. So these are some of the instruments that we have in the band. And as you can see, it's very unusual to have concert band instruments alongside orchestral instruments, alongside rock instruments back there. So, here in band, anything goes. Whatever your student plays or wants to play, bring it. I'll arrange for it. We have not yet had kazoo. I'm not saying no. Probably hard passing the bagpipe, though, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's quite loud. So one of the other things that makes our program unusual is we engage all ages. So it's 5th through 12th grade. And we also have a couple of esteemed members of our faculty here with us today. We have Chelsea Michelson, who is the principal of communication arts, if you're interested in that school. Oh yeah, no. Yay! You wake up a little bit, yeah. And we have Eva Butcher will also be playing with us. She is our assistant band director. I don't get to play today. I get to wave my arms and pretend that I'm doing something other than starting and stopping them. It's pretty great. One of the other things that you're about to hear that makes our program unusual and interesting is the students actually request the music. This is completely different than anything I've ever heard of in any program ever. But the students request the music. So I get like 100 requests every semester, and then I look at the list and I think, what's gonna sound good? What can I handle listening to for 4 months? It's cool, whatever. And then I pick from that list. So what we're gonna play for you today is Don't You Forget About Me by Simple Minds. You guys know that one? Breakfast Club. Your kids knew that one, and that's the coolest part. It's like, what? How do you even know this song? This is great. So without further ado, I'm going to stop running my mouth. We're going to play for you. Feel free to dance. No mosh pit up here. Okay. All right. Enjoy.